Breaking ground, Ukrainian forces set to implement laser technology in combat against 100-plus Shahed drones. Date, February 10, 2025. In a remarkable advancement in military technology, Ukrainian forces are set to deploy cutting-edge laser systems to counter a significant threat posed by Russian Shahed-type drones. This initiative marks a pivotal moment in Ukraine's ongoing conflict with Russia, which escalated following Russia's full-scale invasion in February 2022. As drone warfare becomes increasingly prevalent, the implementation of laser technology presents a strategic response to the challenges posed by these aerial threats. Colonel Vadym Sukharevskyi, the commander of Ukraine's Unmanned Systems Forces, has confirmed that operational laser systems are now effectively targeting Russian aerial assets. Colonel Sukharevskyi stated that Ukraine is among a select group of countries equipped with advanced laser weaponry, which is crucial in the current combat landscape. The laser system, known as Tryzub, boasts capabilities that allow it to down aircraft at altitudes exceeding 2 kilometers, underscoring its potential impact on the battlefield. The establishment of the Unmanned Systems Forces less than a year ago has played a critical role in this technological advancement. This newly formed unit includes combat and research units that are actively engaged across various operational theaters, air, land, and sea. The integration of laser technology into Ukraine's military strategy is part of a broader initiative aimed at enhancing defense capabilities through research and development. Colonel Sukharevskyi emphasized the importance of these efforts, particularly in countering the growing reliance on drone warfare by Russian forces. Recent reports indicate that the Ukrainian laser systems have achieved a level of sophistication capable of burning through metal, showcasing their destructive potential against drones. While specific metrics regarding the success rate of these systems remain undisclosed, the advancements reflect a significant shift in military tactics and an evolution in Ukraine's approach to aerial combat. The timeline of these developments highlights the rapid progress made by Ukraine's defense sector since the onset of the conflict. Following the establishment of the Unmanned Systems Forces, Colonel Sukharevskyi's announcements in December 2024 regarding operational laser systems set the stage for ongoing advancements into early 2025. As Ukraine adapts its military strategies, the integration of laser technology emerges as a crucial step in countering Russian aerial assaults, potentially altering the dynamics of the battlefield. In addition to the laser systems, Ukraine's defense industry has gained momentum in the wake of the conflict, leading to innovations such as long-range drones capable of traveling up to 2,000 kilometers and carrying significant payloads. The development of such technologies not only enhances Ukraine's defensive capabilities but also signals a shift towards a more technologically advanced military posture. The challenges posed by the Russian Shahed drones have necessitated innovative solutions, and the laser systems represent a proactive approach to addressing these threats. As Colonel Sukharevskyi noted, the development of these technologies is part of a concerted effort to find effective countermeasures against Russian aircraft and drones, particularly those that have become a staple of Russia's aerial strategy. Reports have emerged from various sources, each highlighting different aspects of Ukraine's laser technology and its operational status. While there is general consensus on the effectiveness of these systems, variations exist in the details regarding specific operational successes and the precise capabilities of the laser technology in use. Nonetheless, the unified acknowledgement of Ukraine's advancements signifies a turning point in the conflict, with the potential to reshape the nature of aerial engagements. As the situation continues to evolve, the integration of laser technology into Ukraine's military arsenal stands as a testament to the country's resilience and adaptability in the face of adversity. With ongoing developments in military strategy and technology, Ukraine is poised to leverage these advancements to counteract the threats posed by Russian forces effectively. In conclusion, the deployment of laser technology by Ukrainian forces against Shahed drones represents a significant milestone in modern warfare. As the conflict unfolds, the focus on innovation and adaptation will be crucial for Ukraine's defense strategy. The ongoing advancements in laser capabilities alongside the broader efforts in research and development underline the importance of technological innovation in contemporary military operations. The landscape of warfare is changing, and Ukraine is at the forefront of this transformation, ready to confront the challenges ahead with a new arsenal of advanced weaponry. The information presented about Ukraine's implementation of laser technology to combat Russian drones, specifically the Shahed drones, reveals several counterintuitive aspects that may challenge common perceptions about military technology and warfare. 1. Advanced technology in a conventional conflict. It's often assumed that advanced military technologies are exclusive to nations with larger defense budgets or extensive military-industrial complexes. However, Ukraine, amidst an ongoing conflict and under significant resource constraints, has developed and operationalized laser weaponry. This challenges the notion that only larger superpowers can innovate in high-tech warfare, suggesting that necessity can drive significant technological advancements even in less conventional military environments. 2. Integration of new technologies during active conflict. The establishment of Ukraine's Unmanned Systems Forces, a relatively new entity formed less than a year before the reported advancements in laser technology, highlights the ability of military organizations to adapt and innovate rapidly in response to immediate threats. Traditionally, military forces are seen as slow to adapt due to bureaucratic inertia and the complexities of integrating new technologies into existing frameworks. Ukraine's quick pivot to integrate laser systems into its operational strategy illustrates a counterintuitive flexibility and responsiveness that is not typically associated with military organizations. 3. Effectiveness of laser weapons against drones. While laser technology may be perceived as a futuristic or experimental form of weaponry, the reports indicate that Ukraine's laser systems are already operational and capable of targeting drones at significant altitudes. This challenges the expectation that emerging technologies take considerable time to be effective on the battlefield. The successful implementation of laser systems demonstrates that with the right focus and urgency, new technologies can be rapidly deployed and utilized effectively in combat scenarios. 4. Potential for reducing dependency on traditional munitions. The use of lasers to down drones suggests a potential shift in military strategy towards more sustainable forms of warfare. Traditional munitions often involve expenditure of costly missiles and bombs, which can become a logistical burden. Laser systems, once developed, may offer a more cost-effective and sustainable approach to air defense, as they can theoretically operate with lower operational costs after the initial investment. This could redefine how military forces approach aerial threats, moving away from a reliance on conventional munitions towards more energy-efficient solutions. 5. Research and development during war. The advancements in Ukraine's laser technology are occurring concurrently with active combat operations, which stands in contrast to the common belief that R&D in military technology typically requires peacetime stability and substantial funding. The Ukrainian defense sector has been propelled into innovation due to the urgency of the situation, illustrating how wartime conditions can catalyze technological development rather than stifle it. 6. Public perception of laser weapons. Many people might associate laser weapons with science fiction or speculative technology, often doubting their practical application in current military conflicts. The operational status of Ukraine's laser systems provides a counterpoint to this skepticism, showing that such technologies can indeed play a crucial role in modern warfare and may soon become a standard component of military arsenals worldwide. 7. The role of new military units. The creation of specialized units like the Unmanned Systems Forces reflects a modern military trend where traditional structures are adapted to meet contemporary threats. This suggests a shift in military organization and strategy that may not have been anticipated, indicating that future conflicts could see a rise in the importance of specialized units focusing on emerging technologies rather than traditional combat formations. 8. Innovation driven by necessity. The ongoing conflict has forced Ukraine to innovate rapidly, often leading to the development of effective military technologies that might not have emerged in a peacetime context. This highlights a counterintuitive reality where war can serve as a powerful engine for technological advancement, contradicting the expectation that such developments must occur in stable, funded environments. These counterintuitive revelations underscore the complexity of modern warfare and the dynamic nature of military technology. Ukraine's experience with laser technology illustrates how urgency, adaptability, and innovation can radically alter the landscape of conflict, challenging traditional narratives about military capabilities and strategies. The report detailing Ukraine's implementation of laser technology in combat against Shahed drones presents several significant aspects that merit deeper exploration. While many readers may focus on the obvious advancements in military technology, there are subtler yet critical points that could be overlooked. Here are some of those key elements along with their significance. 1. Development of the Unmanned Systems Forces. The establishment of the Unmanned Systems Forces in Ukraine is a noteworthy development. Created less than a year ago, this unit signifies a strategic pivot towards modern warfare that increasingly relies on unmanned assets. This shift reflects a broader trend in military strategy worldwide, where drones and unmanned systems play crucial roles. The formation of this force indicates Ukraine's recognition of the changing dynamics of warfare and its commitment to investing in cutting-edge technologies. Significance: this unit not only enhances Ukraine's operational capabilities but also signals its intent to innovate and adapt in response to the evolving battlefield landscape. By prioritizing unmanned systems, Ukraine positions itself to better counteract drone threats, which have become a staple of modern military engagements. 2. Operational status of laser technology. The operational status of the laser systems, specifically the Tryzub, is highlighted in Colonel Sukharevsky's statements. The system's capability to engage targets at altitudes exceeding 2 kilometers is particularly important, as it allows for the interception of drones before they can inflict damage. The precision of laser weapons also reduces collateral damage, a critical consideration in populated areas. Significance: the operational success of laser technology could redefine air defense strategies not just for Ukraine but for other nations as well. If proven effective, it may inspire similar developments in other militaries, leading to a shift in how aerial threats are countered globally. 3. Research and development initiatives. Sukharevsky's mention of ongoing research and development initiatives indicates that Ukraine is not merely reacting to the current conflict but proactively seeking to enhance its military capabilities. This long-term investment in R&D is crucial for sustaining Ukraine's defense posture and ensuring that it remains competitive against Russian advances. Significance: the emphasis on R&D could foster a culture of innovation within Ukraine's defense sector, potentially leading to breakthroughs that could have applications beyond the immediate conflict. This focus may also attract international partnerships and investments, further bolstering Ukraine's defense capabilities. 4. Countering drone warfare. The specific focus on countering Shahed drones is significant given the scale of their deployment by Russian forces. As drone warfare continues to escalate, developing effective countermeasures becomes essential for maintaining airspace control. The successful deployment of laser systems against these drones could serve as a model for other nations facing similar threats. Significance: the ability to effectively neutralize drone threats could alter the tactical landscape of future conflicts, underscoring the importance of continuous innovation in military technologies. It also reflects a broader challenge that many nations will face as drone technology becomes more prevalent. 5. Impact on battlefield dynamics. The integration of advanced laser technology into Ukraine's military strategy may shift the dynamics on the battlefield. The ability to engage and destroy drones with precision could lead to a decrease in the effectiveness of Russian drone strikes, thereby changing the operational calculus for both sides. Significance: by potentially diminishing the effectiveness of Russian drone operations, Ukraine could gain a strategic advantage, impacting both morale and operational planning. This could lead to a re-evaluation of tactics not only by Russian forces but also by other countries observing the conflict. 6. Potential for broader defense innovation. The advancements in laser technology and unmanned systems may catalyze broader innovations within Ukraine's defense sector. As the nation grapples with the challenges posed by Russian aggression, the necessity for efficient defense solutions could spur further technological breakthroughs. Significance: a robust defense industry can contribute to national resilience and security, providing Ukraine with the means to defend itself not just in the current conflict but in future challenges. This can have long-term implications for Ukraine's sovereignty and stability. 7. International defense partnerships. Ukraine's advancements in laser technology may attract attention from international defense partners. Countries observing Ukraine's innovative approaches may seek to collaborate or share technology, enhancing Ukraine's military capabilities while also fostering international solidarity against common threats. Significance: such partnerships can lead to a strengthening of alliances and enhance collective security arrangements in the region. A collaborative approach to defense innovation can also create a more unified response to threats posed by drone warfare. 8. Public perception and morale. The introduction of advanced technologies like lasers can have a significant impact on public perception and morale. Reports of successes in downing drones with cutting-edge technology can boost national pride and confidence in the military. Significance: maintaining high morale among the populace and armed forces is crucial during prolonged conflicts. A narrative of innovation and success can galvanize support for military efforts and encourage recruitment and enlistment. Conclusion. In summary, while the report on Ukraine's use of laser technology to combat Shahed drones highlights various technological advancements, it also contains significant insights regarding military strategy, operational capabilities, and the potential long-term impacts on both national and international defense landscapes. Understanding these subtler points can provide a more comprehensive view of the evolving nature of warfare and the strategic imperatives guiding Ukraine's military response. The integration of advanced technologies not only enhances immediate defensive capabilities but also sets the stage for future innovations that could reshape the dynamics of modern military engagements. 1. Operational advancement of laser technology. Ukrainian forces under the leadership of Colonel Vadym Sukharevskyi have effectively operationalized laser systems, particularly the Tryzub, to counter Russian Shahed drones. This marks a significant shift in military capabilities and tactics, showcasing Ukraine's commitment to integrating advanced technology into its defense strategy. The ability to down drones at altitudes exceeding 2 kilometers signifies not only technological prowess but also an adaptation to the evolving nature of warfare, particularly the increasing reliance on drone operations by enemy forces. 2. Research and development momentum. The establishment of the Unmanned Systems Forces in Ukraine highlights a strategic focus on research and development (R&D) within the military sector. This initiative aims to enhance Ukraine's defense capabilities through innovation, as evidenced by the development of laser technologies and long-range drones. The emphasis on R&D suggests a proactive approach to military challenges, indicating that Ukraine is not merely responding to threats but is actively seeking to develop tools and strategies that can provide a competitive edge on the battlefield. 3. Countermeasures against drone warfare. The integration of laser technology into Ukraine's defense is a direct response to the challenges posed by Russian drone warfare, particularly the Shahed-type attack drones. This development reflects a broader trend in modern military conflicts, where drone capabilities are increasingly utilized for surveillance and strikes. By employing laser systems to neutralize these aerial threats, Ukraine is addressing a critical vulnerability in its defense, potentially altering the dynamics of air combat and reducing reliance on traditional missile systems, which may be less effective against such agile targets. 4. Impact on military strategy and future warfare. The advancements in laser technology not only enhance Ukraine's immediate defensive capabilities but also signal a potential shift in future warfare strategies. As militaries globally adapt to the challenges of drone warfare, the successful implementation of such technologies may inspire similar developments in other nations. The ongoing conflict in Ukraine serves as a testing ground for innovative military technologies. And the outcomes of these advancements could have far-reaching implications for international military practices and the evolution of combat tactics in the 21st century. 1. The development of the laser weapon system laws by the U.S. Navy. The U.S. Navy has been at the forefront of developing laser weapon systems, with the laser weapon system laws being deployed on naval ships as a countermeasure against small boats, drones, and other aerial threats. Laws operational since 2014 uses high-energy lasers to disable or destroy targets, showcasing the potential of laser technology in modern warfare. This system represents a significant shift in military capabilities, allowing for precise targeting with minimal collateral damage and low operational costs per shot compared to conventional munitions. 2. Israel's Iron Dome and laser defense systems. Israel has been a pioneer in the integration of advanced technologies in military defense, particularly with its Iron Dome missile defense system. In recent years, Israel has also been developing laser-based systems to enhance its defense against short-range threats, including drones and rockets. The new systems aim to work in conjunction with the Iron Dome to provide a layered defense strategy utilizing lasers for intercepting incoming threats at lower costs and with less environmental impact. The development of these systems parallels Ukraine's efforts to counter aerial threats, effectively emphasizing the growing importance of laser technology in modern military strategy. 3. The Soviet Union's development of directed energy weapons. During the Cold War, the Soviet Union invested heavily in the research and development of directed energy weapons, including laser systems intended for military applications. One notable project was the Condor program, which aimed to create ground-based and airborne laser weapons capable of targeting U.S. satellites and aircraft. Although these systems were never fully operationalized, they represented an early exploration of the potential applications of laser technology in warfare, similar to Ukraine's current initiatives against drone threats. The historical pursuit of these technologies underscores the enduring interest in laser systems as a means of achieving tactical advantages in military conflicts. The integration of laser technology into Ukraine's military strategy marks a significant evolution in modern warfare, especially in the context of counter-drone operations against Russian Shahed drones. As Ukrainian forces leverage this advanced technology, several predictions can be made regarding its future implications for military engagements, technological advancements, and geopolitical dynamics. 1. Enhanced counter-drone capabilities. The operationalization of the Tryzub laser system signifies a turning point in Ukraine's approach to aerial threats. As the technology matures, we can expect further enhancements in the precision and effectiveness of laser systems against not only drones but also other aerial threats. This may lead to a higher success rate in intercepting aerial assaults, thus shifting the balance of power in engagements where drone warfare is prevalent. The ability to engage and neutralize drones at altitudes exceeding 2 kilometers could discourage the use of such assets by adversaries, prompting changes in their operational strategies. 2. Acceleration of military innovation. Ukraine's commitment to research and development in military technologies suggests a broader trend toward innovation in defense capabilities. As the conflict with Russia continues, we can anticipate increased investment in laser and autonomous weapon systems, potentially fostering partnerships with international defense contractors and tech firms. This could lead to the rapid development of new weaponry, including advanced laser systems with improved range, power, and versatility, further modernizing Ukraine's military arsenal. 3. Shift in drone warfare dynamics. With the introduction of effective countermeasures like lasers, we may see a shift in the design and deployment of drones by both sides in the conflict. Adversaries may begin to develop more sophisticated drones equipped with counter-laser technology or alternative stealth features to evade detection and destruction. This could escalate into an arms race of sorts where both sides continuously adapt their technologies to outmaneuver the other. 4. Geopolitical repercussions. The successful deployment of laser technology could have broader geopolitical implications. As Ukraine demonstrates its ability to effectively counter aerial threats, it may inspire similar advancements in other nations, particularly those facing drone-related challenges. This could lead to a proliferation of laser technologies in various militaries, changing the landscape of aerial warfare globally. Additionally, countries may reconsider their military alliances and defense strategies based on the effectiveness of laser systems in Ukraine. 5. Public perception and support. The narrative surrounding Ukraine's innovative military strategies, such as the use of lasers, may bolster public support both domestically and internationally. Successes in countering drone threats could enhance the image of the Ukrainian military as a technologically advanced force, garnering further aid and resources from allied nations. This could lead to increased military and financial support, which is crucial for sustaining Ukraine's defense efforts. 6. Potential risks and ethical considerations. Despite the advantages that laser technology offers, its use in combat scenarios raises ethical questions and potential risks. The precision of lasers could lead to collateral damage if not managed carefully, prompting discussions around the rules of engagement and the ethics of using such advanced weaponry. Furthermore, the deployment of autonomous systems in warfare presents challenges regarding accountability and decision-making in combat. 7. Future combat training and doctrine. The integration of laser technology will likely influence future military training and doctrine. Ukrainian forces may develop specialized units focused on laser operations, requiring new training protocols and tactics. Additionally, the presence of advanced technologies may necessitate changes in how military engagements are conceptualized, with a greater emphasis on technology integration in strategic planning and battlefield operations. Conclusion. The implementation of laser technology by Ukrainian forces represents a significant leap forward in modern warfare capabilities, particularly in counter-drone operations. As this technology continues to evolve, it will likely reshape military strategies, influence geopolitical relations, and spark further innovations in defense technologies. The implications of these advancements will extend beyond Ukraine, potentially altering the global landscape of aerial warfare and military engagement in the years to come.